making it as simple as possible. That is our approach to performance management with TrakSYS. As an integral part of digitizing manufacturing operations, TrakSYS gives you the power to benchmark performance, to manage tasks and workflows, and collaborate effectively through the use of real-time, actionable intelligence available from any device, anytime, anywhere. By connecting to your existing infrastructure for real-time data collection and analysis, TrakSYS enables your team to make fact-based decisions that will improve effective and efficient management of your operations throughout your manufacturing value stream. Using the TrakSYS IIoT and single-instance multi-site deployment technologies, you can establish visibility across the enterprise to compare performance of departments, personnel, and assets among sites to establish baselines and devise continuous improvement strategies. Strategies based on contextualized intelligence to decisively boost output and profitability. While providing extensive out-of-the-box features, TrakSYS is easily configurable, extensible, and scalable. Whether your operations are discrete, continuous, or batch, TrakSYS gives you the tools you need, like condition-based event monitoring, operator task management, alerts, electronic logbooks, and analytics to optimize performance and profitability across your manufacturing operations. TrakSYS, empowering your digital transformation.